Learning is a journey that everyone takes, but what is you better that process? Imagine being able to learn faster, understand more, and master new skills quickly. The ability to learn quickly is a valuable skill, and with the right mindset and technique, you can become a fast learner. Step 1. Develop a growth mindset. The first step to becoming a fast learner is developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset is a belief that your ability can be improved through effort, practice, and learning. People with a growth mindset don't believe that intelligence is fixed. Instead, they understand that learning is a continuous process. When you believe that you can get better at anything with practice, your brain is more open to trying new things, solving problems, and overcoming challenges. So start by telling yourself, I can improve, and be open to learning from your mistake. Step 2. Break information into small chunks. One of the most effective ways to learn faster is by breaking information into smaller, manageable chunks. This technique is called chunking. When you're faced with something overwhelming like a long chapter or a new concept, don't try to understand everything at once. Break it down into smaller parts. For example, if you're learning a new language, you don't need to memorize the whole dictionary at once. Start with simple words or phrases and build on them. This approach helps your brain process the information more easily and efficiently. Step 3. Use active learning techniques. Active learning is when you engage with the materials, not just read or listen passively. This means taking notes, summarizing the information, asking questions, and teaching what you learned to someone else. The more active you are in your learning, the faster you will absorb the information. Studies show that teaching others is one of the best ways to learn. When you explain a topic in your own words, you not only reinforce your own understanding but also discover any gaps in your knowledge. Step 4. Stay focused and minimize distraction. To learn faster, you need to be focused. In today's world, distractions are everywhere: social media, notification, and noise. To learn quickly, it's essential to eliminate these distractions. Find a quiet space, put away your phone, and dedicate time to focus only on what you are learning. Set specific time for studying and commit to staying focused. Use techniques like Pomodoro methods where you work in focus intervals like 20 minutes and take short breaks in between. This approach helps maintain your concentration and keeps your brain fresh. Step 5. Practice consistently and be patient. Consistency is key. The more often you practice something, the quicker you will learn it. Even if you are trying to master a difficult skill, small, consistent steps will lead to progress. Remember, learning doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Consistent practice will pay off, and before you know it, you will see rapid progress. Step 6. Connect new information to what you already know. To learn faster, try to connect new information to what you already know. For example, if you're learning a new language, relate a new words to similar one in your native language. Or if you're studying a scientific concept, think about how it connects to something you learned in the past. This connection helps your brain make sense of the new information and create pathway for faster recall. The more connection you can make, the easier it will be understand and remember new material. Step 7. Take care of your body and mind. Learning is not just about what you do with your brain, it's also about taking care of your body and mind. To learn quickly, you need to be in your best shape, physically and mentally. Make sure you get enough sleep, eat a balanced diet, and exercise regularly. Stress and anxiety can slow down your learning, so it's also important to practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness to stay calm and focused. Step 8. Stay curious and keep asking questions. Curiosity is a powerful tool for fast learning. Ask questions and seek answers. The more curious you are about a topic, the more motivated you will be to learn. Don't just accept information. Question it, dig deeper, and explore all aspects of the subject. Don't be afraid to ask for help either. Reach out to explore or join online community where you can discuss and share ideas. The more you engage with the materials and the people around you, the quicker you will learn. You will learn. Step 9. Reflect on what you learn. One of the most important parts of learning is reflection. After studying or practicing a new skill, take some time to think about what you learned and ask yourself questions like, what did I learn today? What did I learn today? What can I improve on? What did I do well? Reflection helps reinforce what you learn and give you the chance to adjust your learning methods if needed. This way you can continue to improve and become an even faster learner. Becoming a fast learner isn't about rushing through lessons or memorizing facts quickly. It's about developing a growth mindset, staying focused, practicing consistently, and taking care of your mind and body. It's about being curious, asking questions, and reflecting on your progress. So keep exploring, keep growing. You got this.